Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at the corrections to equality of matrices. Alright, so the first question is if this matrix is multiplied by this matrix. Alright, so if this matrix is multiplied by this matrix, this is multiplied by the end result is this. What is the value of x? So what we're going to do, we're going to multiply. That is going to be 5 times x, that is 5x, plus 3 times minus 4 minus 12. So the answer will be minus 2 equals to minus 2. That's what it means. So when you multiply that for the first element here is 5 times x, then 3 times minus 4. That gives minus 2. That's what it means. Or preferably, let's do it this way so that you can get it clearly. Alright, so that is the first element, first row, first column. Then the next one will be 5 times 7, that is 35, plus 3 times 16 minus 16. That's minus 16. Minus 16 times, sorry. Uh, 5 times 7, then 3 times y. That's going to be 3y plus 3y. Then the next one, 6 times x, that is 6x. Then 7 times minus 4, that will be minus 28. Then the same thing, 6 times 7, that is 42. Then 7 times y plus 7y. We close it. Alright, equals to what we have here, minus 2, 26, 16, 21. So this is equal to this. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. And this is equal to this. But it is x we are looking for. We can make use of this, and then this one and this, you get the same answer. So let's try it. 5x minus 12 equals to minus 2. That's what it means. Alright, equals to minus 2. So that means we have 5x equals to minus 2 plus 12. That is 5x equals to 10. Divide both sides by 5. Then x is equal to 2. If you pick this one as well, if you pick the second one, which is 6x minus 28, is equal to what? 16. So that will be 6x equal to, is it showing? Good. Is equal to 16 plus 28. So that will give us 6x equals to, when you add this together, 6x minus 20 equals to minus 16. This is minus 16. All right, this is minus 16. When you subtract this, that will give us 12. Divide both sides by 6. X is equal to 2. See the same thing. So this is the answer. I hope this is very clear, right? So move to question 2 now. For question 2, almost the same thing, the same way. We're going to do it the same way. But the question asks us to find the value of x plus y, which we need to get the value of x and get the value of y. So in this case, I'm not going to go deep in this case. So I will just multiply 5x. So the same thing, we have found the same question. We have found the value of x to be 2. All right. Then it remains the value of y. So which is I'll pick 35 plus 3y equals to 26. So that will be 3y equals to 26 minus 35. So that 3y equals, so 35, then 26, that is 9. Minus 9. Divide both sides by 3. So therefore, y equals to minus 3. So we now come back to the question. The question asks us to find the value of x plus y. So what is the value of our x is 2 plus y, which is minus 3. So that will be 2 minus 3. That's equal to minus 1. So the answer is B. I hope that is clear. Then go to question 3. So that is what refers to as equality of matrix. Then question 3, we have determine x plus y. Now we're going to find the value of x, find the value of y. So to do this, let's multiply this out. That will be 2 times x. That will be 2x. Is it showing? Okay, good. 2x plus minus 3 times y. That is minus 3y. Then that will be equal to minus 1. Then the second one, minus 1 times x. That is minus x. Then 4 times y plus 4y. That gives what? Equals to what? 8. So we can see this has led to simultaneous equation. We can then solve it simultaneously. So which is going to give us, we can make from 2 now. I can make x the subject of formula. Therefore, it will be 4y minus 8 equals to x, equation 3. I can substitute x into 1. So put 3 into 1. So that will be 2 into 4y minus 8. That is, wherever I see x, I'll put 4y minus 8 there, minus 3y equals to minus 1. I hope I'm making sense. So in this case, this will give us 8y minus 16 minus 3y equals to minus 1. So 8y minus 3y, that gives us 5y equals to minus 1 plus 16. I hope I'm with you. Good. So this will give us 5y equals to 15. Then we can conclude that y is equal to 3 when you divide both sides by 5. So having known the value of y to be 3, so we can put this in equation 3. So that will be x equals to 4 into 3 minus 8. That will be x equals to 12 minus 8, and that gives equal to 4. So but the question says x plus y. So we then say x plus y. X is 4. Y is what? Where is it? Y is 3. So therefore, the answer is equal to 7. 7, that's option D. I hope this is very clear. Well, that is that on the question 3. Question 4. Find the value of x and y for which this is equal to this. So the same thing will be done. This will multiply this. This will come and multiply this to get the first. So in that case, we can get the value of x will be 3x times 3. That will going to be 9x plus minus 4 equals to 28. So that will be 9x minus 4 equals to 28. I hope I'm making sense. Let's look at it. 3x times. Oh, sorry. There's a mistake here. So that's, you have to be very careful when you're doing this. So 3x times this, then 2 times this. That will be plus 10 equals to 28. So that means 9x equals to 28 minus 10. So that is 9x equals to 18. Alright, so x is equal to 2. We know the value of x. So it remains y. So where do we have y? We have y here. So we can make this one. We have done that. So that will be 5 times 3. 5 times minus, that's minus 10. Then 4 times 2y plus 8y equals to, it is the last part. That's going to be equal to 22. Let me explain this aspect again so that you can understand what I'm trying to say here. I want to make use of this and this. All right. For me to get the last one, that means I'm using this to multiply the last. So this times this minus 10, then this times this. That gives me the last column, which is this one. That's it for second row, second column. So that's why I have this one to be hy equals to 22 plus 10. and that gives 8y equals to 32. So divide both sides by 8. So y equals to 4. So y equals to 4. X is equal to 2. Y equals to 4. That is this option here. Then back to the last question now. This is question 5. So what we're going to do here, so we're going to multiply these two matrices first. We'll multiply them. So how do we do that? That's going to be 4 times 3, that gives 12, plus 3 times 1, that gives 3. Then m times 4, that is plus 4m. Then again, this rule again, you multiply with the second column. 4 times 8, 4 times 2, that is 8. Then 3 times 0, that is plus 0. Then m times n, that is plus mn. All right. Then we go to the second row. That's minus 2 times 6, that will be minus 6. All right. 0 times 1, that will be plus 0. All right. Then 5 times 4, that will be plus 20. So then the last one, minus 2 times 2, that gives minus 4. Then 0 times 0, that's plus 0. Then 5 times n plus what? 5n. 5n. So everything here will then be equal to what we have here. 11, 3, 14, 21. So what we're going to do next is, let's complete this one. 12 plus 3, that is 15, plus 4n. Then this will be 8 plus mn. Then this is going to be 14. And this will be minus 4 plus 5n. Then everything must be equals to 11, 3, 14, 21. So what you are going to notice, you can see that what we have here, this 14 is equal to this 14. So which means this is also equal to this. Why this is equal to what? It's equal to this. And this is equal to this. That's what it means. So we are going to take them one by one. So if you pick 15 plus 4n, 15 plus 4n, okay, 15 plus 4n equals to what? 11. So we can use to find the value of n. That's 4n equals to 11 minus 15. That is 4n equals to minus 4. So divide both sides by 4. All right. Then n equals to minus 1. I hope this is very clear. So that we know the value of n. So you can then, the next one is find value of m. Sorry, this is 4m rather, not n. M is to find the value of n. There's n in the second one here, and there's n in this one. Whichever one we use, we're going to get the same answer. If I should pick the first one, 8 plus mn, all right, equals to what? 3. So m, we've known the value of m to be minus 1. That's minus 1 times n, give us minus n. That's 8 minus n equals to 3. So that means we're going to have 8 none. So let's solve it straight. That's going to give us minus n equals to 3 minus 8. That will be minus n equals to minus 5. So minus cancel, and therefore n is equal to what? 5. And if you make use of the other one as well, which is 4 minus 4n, all right, which is minus 4 plus 5n equals to what? 21. All right, so this will be 5n equals to 21 plus 4. This will be 5n equals to 25. Divide both sides by 5. So therefore, n equals to what? 5 as well. I hope this is very clear. But that is not our final answer. What we're asked to look for is to find the value of n minus n. The question is n minus m. So our n9 is 5 minus m, which is minus 1. That is equal to 5 plus 1, and that gives us 6. I hope this is very clear. So that is 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So that is that in this video. So we're going to continue in our next class. So Bye for now.